Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Drive folders for tax document organization, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Drive website at drive.google.com. Sign in to your Google account if you aren't already logged in. Once on the Google Drive homepage, locate the plus new button on the left side of the screen. Click on the plus new button to open a drop-down menu. Select Folder from the menu to create a new folder. A dialog box will appear prompting you to name the folder. Type in a name that clearly identifies it for tax documents, such as Tax Documents 2023. Click the Create button to finalize the creation of your folder. Your new folder will now appear in the drive. To organize documents within this folder, double-click on it to open it. Inside the folder, again click the plus new button. This time, select either File Upload or Folder to add documents or create subfolders. If you choose File Upload, navigate to where your tax documents are stored on your computer. Select the files you want to upload and click Open. The selected documents will begin uploading to your Google Drive folder. If creating a subfolder, name it appropriately for easier organization. Continue this process for all tax-related documents, creating additional folders or subfolders as needed. Once all your documents are uploaded, you can easily access and manage them. For added security, consider sharing the folder with a trusted tax professional if necessary. To ensure everything is in order, review the contents of your folder regularly. Remember to keep your folder structure intuitive for easy navigation. This way, you'll have all your tax documents neatly organized for any time you need them. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.